Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is May 7th, 2025, and the top news for crypto is as follows. Today we will start with our states, and we'll go to New Hampshire, which became the first state in America to have made Bitcoin officially a reserve. In this way, history is written as the first state in America to do something like this. Let me tell you, the bill was first introduced in January and allows New Hampshire State Treasurer to invest up to 5% of their public capital in precious metals such as gold or silver, or in digital assets that have had a market capitalization of at least $500 billion in the last fiscal year, i.e. Bitcoin. Let's say that the state treasurer holds $3.62 billion, so they can invest $181 million in Bitcoin and get 1,194 BTC if they put it all there. And from New Hampshire, which writes history, we will go to Florida, which in the end will not write history, as both bills to make Florida its own Bitcoin reserve have unfortunately failed. So moving on to the ETFs in America, we'll go once again to BlackRock, which is the only one doing something. On May 5th, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF saw $531 million and closed the day with $425 million in positive returns. And regarding our ETFs, I would like to tell you that Bitwise is also looking for a spot ETF for the NEAR Protocol, and for this exact reason it has made a request to the SEC. Meanwhile, 21 Shares is launching an ETP for Cronos, which is the currency and chain of Crypto.com. To be specific, it is an ETP that we will see in Europe and will be listed on the Paris and Amsterdam exchanges for those who are interested, and we are waiting for an ETF in the US, as you understand. And from our financials, we go to the Trump family. First of all, let's say that Mr. Trump will host 2 dinners related to crypto this month. In addition to the expected event on the 22nd of the month, Trump spoke at a $1.5 million a plate cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence innovation dinner hosted by the Super PAC MAGA Inc. and at Trump National Golf Club in Virginia on Monday. From Mr. Trump, we go to his wife, where the Financial Times has an expose on her and her coin, which of course we already knew about. Let's just say that according to the Financial Times publication on May 6th, there were some crypto traders who managed to make up to $100 million by buying Mrs. Melania's token, purchasing $2.6 million worth before it was officially released on January 19th. Just before Mr. Trump announced it, they bought it, effectively getting in early. The token went from $2 to $12.95, a 550% gain, and these traders sold it all just 12 hours after buying, so they definitely came out as winners. And from the Trump family, it's time to go to Solana, where companies continue to buy as if there's no tomorrow. Let's just say that DeFi Development Corp bought $11.2 million worth of Solana, acquiring 80,000 SOL, while Sol Strategies also bought Solana, purchasing $18 million worth 122,524 SOL at an average price of $148 buying Solana. We go to the crypto market with Bitcoin standing at $97,000. Good or bad, we've once again hit our resistance, which seems to be holding us back a lot. But all this gave Bitcoin a big green candle because it is rumored that perhaps the US and China may finally reach a trade agreement. What has happened is that the US Treasury Secretary has revealed his plans to travel to Switzerland because, as he said, there are Chinese counterparts who are touring Europe right now. He will be in Switzerland, so he will be there to discuss the tariffs that one country has taken on the other this coming Saturday and Sunday. His statement will be below in the description for you. For this very reason, Bitcoin has risen significantly. It has certainly helped the New Hampshire Reserve. But this is news that has pleased the markets more, as you understand. Let's also say that for today, we expect Mr. Powell in 14 hours to tell us about interest rates. We already know with 96% certainty that he will leave them exactly the same. We also expect further statements from Mr. Powell on the market in general. And for the latest news of the day, we will go to Mr. CZ, who in an interview said that Bitcoin could reach $500,000 or even $1 million in this cycle. Please. This interview will also be below in the description for you. That concludes the top cryptocurrency news. Today is May 7th, 2025. I would like to remind you that the content you just watched was created for educational purposes only and should not be considered investment advice, but rather investment opinion. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care everyone and have a good day.